How are you, my dear children? I hope all of you are fine. Today, I'm going to tell you a story. Do you like to listen it? Okay, I'm going to tell you a story about the night of the night. Are you ready? In the country of peace, all the children would go to sleep at night only when the knights of the night flew over their houses and sang melodious lullabies to them. One Saturday night, none of the children went to sleep because the night of the night was late. All the mothers were angry and started to complain about the delay. Finally, one of the mothers went to meet him. The knight of the night apologized and said, "I'm sorry. I was very busy. I was cleaning the whole day. I still have a lot to do tonight. Tomorrow is Sunday, a holiday, and everything has to look clean, tidy, and pretty." The mother asked, "What do you have to do?" "I have to put the sun to sleep and wake the moon up," said the night of the night. "After that, I have to go to the gardens and check whether the wind has blown the dust off the grass and the flowers." "Then I have to go up to the sky, bring down the stars and make them shiny and bright and put them back in their places." The surprised mother said, "You can't put the sun to sleep, wake the moon up, and bring down the stars." The knight of the night was angry on hearing this. He said, "I know what I'm doing." The mother was so confused. She wanted to write a report because she was right. When she peeped through the window, she saw the children were already fast asleep. She did not want to argue with the knight of the night, so she went home. She never found out if the knight of the night was actually telling the truth. The end. So, how's the story for today, my dear children? I hope all of you have enjoyed it. So now I'm going to teach you a new thing. Do you know what is it? Yes, homophones. Today I'm going to teach you about homophones. Do you know what is the meaning of homophones? Okay, let me tell you. Homophones is one of two or more words pronounced alike but different in meaning or spelling, such as the words to, T-O, T-O-O, and also T-W-O. Now, do you understand about homophones? If you will notice, there are a few words that we can categorize them as homophones. In the story that you have heard before, can you remember those words? Okay, now let's recall together. First, peace, peace. Second, what is it? Yes, night and night. And what about the last one? Yes, right and right. So, I hope all of you could understand the meaning of homophones. So, don't forget to do your next task, okay? You have answered the question. I mean the comprehension questions. Inshallah, we will meet again. Bye.